Alright. Good bag. No, so like a bag go to migrate back to Jamaica.
No play with the pum pum beating. Love city type pussy girl in a jeans string. Yard man thing wanna deal with the eating. Caribbean girl some black some light skin. Run up and down in her belly with the tall thing. Old man them call pum pum this all thing. Truth of and gully rasta guy and his link. Johnny Bravo, Papi Bassi Trini balling. No play with the pum pum beating. Love city type pussy girl in a jeans string. Yard man thing wanna deal with the eating. Caribbean girl some black some light skin. Run up and down in her belly with the tall thing. Old man them call pum pum this all thing.
I go get the cheese and I add it up. I fuck on your bitch and I scat it off. These niggas they tryna subtract me. I go get a bag and I add it up. I go get this cheese and I add it up. I fuck on your bitch and I scat it off. These niggas they tryna subtract me. I go get a bag and I add it up. I add it up, so why you mad at me? I make a score on that green like a pack of beef.
Wait.
Like I'm trying to get.
I'm a sexy ass dude. Now fuck you with that? Smart. Ain't that smart? That's smart. We need that. We need that. Anyways, y'all, out here in Miami, I don't like vlogging in the airport, so I'll catch y'all when we land in Jamaica. You feel me? Just giving y'all a little update. This one was starting the vlog anyway, so like, comment, subscribe, share. Now let's turn up for the whole time we enjoy. Hey, let's go. Man.
Yo, what are you doing?
Hey man, I beg you apply. Like, no sir. I am coming back.
Hey, man, it's not easy, man. When you get used to the American way of life.
Exactly, I got the airport. You go to the airport, boom, you're gone. Come out for the plane. You don't have to do none of this.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You're coming home, it should be so easy, but it is not.
But would you get a little ease a while ago? How would you get you on? What I'm saying? How would you, because if we travel with the passport or whatever?
Oh, the Jamaican passport,
yes.
Yes.
So this is my first stop, yeah. Alright. No, tell me why. A 900 for a 2 piece. 17 bills. Like, you see them prices, y'all see these prices? $4,900 for a bucket of chicken, bro. What the fuck? What the free? $1,300 for this in Jamaica, but still, that's OC. Yo, that wait was too long, you feel me? And I think I have to wait so long for some, I need to start thinking English. I don't think I need to be waiting this long to get some freaking KFC. You feel me? But we're going to see what it tastes like right now. You feel me? So me alright. Yeah, alright. Good bag. No, so like a bag go to migrate back to Jamaica. I say look. I say what look. Eh? Like a migrate to migrate back to Jamaica to backside.
What about baby? Too much?
Yes, let me come back. I don't want to come back. Take it up. Where we at, little man?
We're at Big Baha'i Principe, Jamaica.
Why you say those guys is grand? Jamaica. What's good, y'all? So right now we're currently at a buffet. Right, feel me? I don't know that. Right now, I really enjoy myself. Maybe it's because I got here in the night or whatever, but like, I'm gonna see whatever tomorrow holds for me. Oh my gosh, my hair is gone bad. Not yet. But I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna see what it's looking like. And I'm gonna let y'all know, you see me, I'm gonna bash real quick. So like, go like, comment, subscribe, but let's get straight to it. I got a few activities I wanna do tomorrow. I gotta go to Kingston tomorrow and all that stuff. So like, just let me know what's popping. I got y'all. But because it's food talking about. You guys to put no montage, they feel me and everything. Let y'all know what it's talking about. I ain't gonna lie, the room cool, but it's kind of mid. I'm gonna give you like a full room tour when I go back to the room if I'm not too lit, because my aim right now, my objective right now is to get lit, and that's what I'm gonna be working towards, is getting lit. So we finna see what's popping. I'm out of here. Bro, they got steamed rabbit in this mug. I'm sticking to what I know. My regular plate. I ain't getting out of that steamed rabbit shit. That's not me at all. We're eating that. The water tastes like church water. Yes, it's sweet. I don't know if I tell.